Hi guys, I'm back with an easy and simple weekly spread for your bullet journal. Let me grab some tea and get started. You'll need a black fineliner, a dark grey brush pen, a light grey brush pen, and a ruler. I've put everything I've used in the description box down below. I'm going to start with creating my standard header with my dark grey Tombow. Next, I'm using my light grey brush pen to make 8 blocks. These will be the days of the week, plus 1 block for next week. Now I'm using my black fineliner to create the lines in the middle of each page. I first wanted to leave some space on the line where each day would go, but since I messed up, I decided to just draw straight lines all around, as you can see. And then I just do the same thing on the other page. Creating little diamonds underneath each day of the week, and then I'll connect the diamonds to the light grey boxes. After I did this, I decided I wanted the lines to continue inside the diamond, so I made the lines a bit longer, but you can do whatever you prefer. Don't forget to drink some tea and then repeat on the other page. Oops, I also just noticed that one of my grey blocks was 5 dots long instead of 6 like the rest, so I'll just fix that in a bit. Here I'm just using my black fineliner to fill in the dates in between the 2 black lines that I drew earlier. For the last block, I'm using an arrow to refer to the next week. Then I'll use my fineliner to write down the days of the week in each light grey. For the last box, I'll write next week, and then I'll fill in my header. Finally, I'm using my light grey brush pen to fill in some parts of the diamond shapes. And that was basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed it and hopefully got some inspiration for your own bullet journal. If you'd like, then please leave a like and subscribe. Till next time, Bye!